comes and says, doctor, I've got 20,000 test cases in the bucket. I'm sorry, test only 3,000. Run it in this engine. We say 3 weeks. 2 weeks of sprint, we can't do all that stuff. Somebody was right when I was observing in the morning. 2 weeks of sprint, you can't do anything. You need somebody, you need a predictive algorithm, you need a data warehouse which slices this data and say, out of 16 business processes of this financial industry, only 3 is what you have to test, because 3 is what runs in production and 3 is what the customer tests almost every time. You have to keep the UAT in mind before you do the SIT or the system testing. You don't do that. RPA will do for it. Sentiment analysis, the UX and the UIs. What is sentiment analysis? I am in the Facebook, I am in the Twitter, I download from App Store, from Google Play, I am everywhere. And when I am developing and loading data, somebody is using the experiences of yours and SMAC experience, and they are developing usability test cases for you. My test case numbers can be optimized. My defect analysis and visualization can start. I can find out exact root cause analysis. I can use root cause analysis of 5Y and can use the RPA. I can do defect prediction. How many of you do defect prediction? It's a part of the process. Many of you must be doing. Okay, interestingly, RPA can do defect prediction for agile projects in a better way. You know, what they will do is, they will predict the pass-fail of every sprint. Infosys is doing, I just took the parameters. Infosys has 8 parameters: application complexity, degree of change, past history defects, identity of developers working on applications, so on and so forth. It will take some 7-8 parameters. This case study appealed to me, I thought I should share it. And then that's how they do this type of RPA. So I can be the testing world. I can do defect data analysis. I can do sentiment analysis. I can do a test case number optimization. I can do defect visualization. And I can do anything. In fact, I can use my pairwise programming, or I can use the orthogonal array techniques, OATs of the world, and I can connect it with the RPA systems, and I can drive systems better. That gives you better perspective to the customer. What should be the features of a next generation CRPA TAF, as I call? I call the 6 Ds. The first D is, you can use this framework for diagnosing and classifying your defects. You can decode the quality of the product. You can detect the quality issues in the product. You can ensure that your product has a self-healing remediation facilities.